Hello everybody and welcome to page 20 where we're dealing with the matters of tones and semitones. A semitone is the smallest interval that we have in music. And if one looks at this little piano here, that would be the gap between this C and that C sharp or D flat. And it sounds like this. Okay, kind of like the Jaws theme song. Okay, so that is the smallest interval or distance between two tones that we have in Western music. In Eastern music, they have small intervals, but we don't deal with that in our theory here. The tone, on the other hand, is two semitones. So that is a semitone. A tone would be 1, 2 from C to D, and sounds like this. Okay, so let's just have a listen to some of those. This one here, semitone. And a tone. Right, so what we're asked to do here is on this piano, firstly, we just need to write the letter names that exist for each of these piano notes. So, we all know how a musical alphabet works, so this should be quite straightforward. C, D, what's going to come next? Of course, E, F, what's after that? G, A, B, C, D, E. So they are all your, what are called the white notes of the piano. We then have these notes. If we use sharps, this would be F sharp. If we used flats, it would be G flat. This one here would be G sharp. This would be A sharp or B flat. This one, of course, A flat. Here we have C sharp and D sharp, or D flat and E flat. Okay, it would be C sharp because that's one note up, and it would be D flat because that's one note, one semitone lower than a D. Alright, so now you have your piano nicely drawn. This is a diagram which I suggest you learn very carefully so that you can reproduce it at the beginning of a test or exam, because this we'll be using when working out whether notes are tones or semitones, which is something we'll be doing quite a lot. Just a side note here, enharmonics. So an enharmonic equivalent is when it sounds the same but has two different names. So there we go. C sharp and D flat are enharmonics. Right, let's have a look here. They want you to tick the higher pair of each note. So here we've got a B flat and a B natural. So let's go up to our piano and have a look here. B flat is over here and B natural is over here. Now remember, they want you to tick the higher of each pair. Of course, the B natural is higher out of those two. So you come down here and you tick the B natural. Okay, you can continue doing that exercise.